In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate percentage in Google Sheets. Whether you're working with a large dataset or just a simple gradebook, understanding how to calculate a percentage is a fundamental skill that can make your data analysis a breeze. Let's dive in and do this together, step by step. First, it's important to remember that calculating a percentage involves a basic math operation, dividing the part by the whole. Think of it as figuring out what portion of the total something represents. In the context of our sample Google Sheet, imagine you have a list of scores, with each score representing the actual achieved part, while the total score, or the perfect score, represents the whole. To begin, make sure you have your data laid out in your Google Sheet. You should have a column for the actual scores and another column for the perfect scores. Once that's ready, we can start our calculation. Let's go over the mechanics. Click on the cell where you want the percentage to appear. In that cell, type an equals sign. This signals to Google Sheets that you're about to enter a formula. Next, click on the cell that contains the part. In our case, this is the actual score that's been achieved. After you've selected this cell, type a slash. The slash indicates the division operation, which is how we'll turn the achieved score into a percentage of the perfect score. Now that we have our division operation set, click on the cell containing the whole value, the perfect score. This completes our formula, as it tells Google Sheets the two values it's supposed to work with. Once you have your formula in place, simply press the Enter key. Google Sheets will calculate the division for you and display the result in the cell where you're working. Remember, this result represents the proportion or percentage of the part relative to the whole. For a better visual understanding of this percentage, you might want to format the cell to display the result as a percent. To do this, go up to the toolbar and look for the percentage symbol. Click it, and your number will instantly transform into a more familiar percentage format. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can quickly compute percentages in Google Sheets, making it an invaluable tool for everything from budgeting to classroom analysis. This method not only helps display data more effectively, but also allows you to gain deeper insights with minimal effort. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has made working with percentages in Google Sheets a little clearer. Don't forget to practice, as this skill will undoubtedly serve you well in various data-driven tasks.